Hi, welcome back to myCRMSIM. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set your automations or workflows. In order to do that, you need to go to the automations from the side menu. And here you can create your new workflows, or you can publish, you can draft your workflows, you can edit them, you can duplicate them, you can delete them based on your need. And here you can also create trigger links. As you can see that I have created a trigger link, so you can set the name of this link, you can set the tracking URL and destination URL. You need to just copy this URL and paste in any message, and you can get the impressions of that specific URL, like how many clicks have been done on this URL. So let's go back to workflows. So here in workflow, I'm going to create a new workflow. I'll start from scratch. You can use templates as well. So in templates, here we have some global templates, and here are my own templates. I can use those based on my need. So I'll start from scratch. So here you can see that all of triggers are here, and here are the actions. So let me just try with contact updated one. So the automation I'm going to create is contact updated, and I'll send a message when contact is updated. So that's how you can link them. So in contact updated, you can use added or removed filter tag. So I'll be using added one, and here I'm going to assign lead as a tag. If any contact have lead tag and that contact is updated, this will trigger this automation and it will send a message. So here I need to specify my message. So if you want to pick contact number, it will just pick that contact number, and here it will pick the first name of the contact. You can change this message based on your need, and here you can select your attachment as well. So I'm not going to change anything in this message. Here you can see that you can set its execution window if you want to, but I'm not going to set this. You can set allow reentry, so you can read this pop message that what is allowed reentry means. You can set stop on reply. If someone respond you, then you can disable this workflow, and here you need to give the name to this workflow. So I'm going to write it contact updated workflow. So I'm going to save it. You can save it as a template, or you can save it as a workflow. So I'm going to save it as a workflow, and I will turn on this toggle to make it active. As you can see that it's active now. Now I'll go to my contacts and search any specific contact, like I'm going to add it this one, and I'll add a tag here. So as you can see that tag is created, I will save it. So let's wait for a while to check that if my message is sent to this contact or not. As you can see that my message is sent to the contact, and I have received this message on my WhatsApp because I'm using the WhatsApp channel. I'll go back to automations, and here I'm going to edit this workflow, and here you can see its execution logs. As you can see that my execution was successful and its status is completed. You can check execution details as well. One more thing I want to tell you about, that there are some actions and triggers which are premium. If you are going to use those, they will cost you some credits. Here are some credits in my account. So this is basically 60 days beta. So in beta version, you will be granted 2500 credit, and the credits will be charged as 1 per execution per contact. So that's how the charging works. You can check your wallet. For 60 days we are offering beta, and you can utilize these wallet balances, and after that you need to purchase these credits from your account here. So here you can see the starter, growth, agency, and custom amount packages, and you can purchase these based on your need. Now I'm going to show you how you can create your automations or workflows using Simi. Simi is our AI agent. You can find it in dashboard. So she looks like this, and here I'm going to click on it and I will open, and you can see that it's in auto mode. So in auto mode I need to tell her that what she should make in my automations. So here I'm going to write create a workflow. She will take some time to create this automation or workflow. So let's wait for a while. So as you can see that a workflow is created, I need to open it and see that how it looks. I'll check. As you can see that it will trigger when hashtag new tag is added to a contact, and let me see that message details. As you can see that she added something extra. No worries about that. You need to check the message first before publishing workflow to live. Here you can select file as well. So that's how you can create your automations using Simi, and you can create them manually as well. Thank you.